master coming? Is the master coming? Oh God! Nah. I know that was the reaction of most of us when we were in secondary school. Whenever you hear the master is coming, you become angry. But I'm here to curb that feeling or remove that fear in mass. Now, we continue from where we stopped in last tutorial. Today we have addition and subtraction of surds. Now, whenever we are adding or subtracting surd, it's the same thing with our normal addition and subtraction. Before you add or subtract in surd, you should make sure that these surd are alike. So we add and subtract only like surds or similar surds. Similar surds means what is in these square roots are what? The same. In some cases, you may have different numbers which are not the same, but your work is to make them to be the same before you can add or subtract. So that is the whole idea behind this. It will give you a problem to know if you can make them to the similar surds before you add or subtract. Now for this one, since they are similar, there's no much thing to do here. We just add 6 plus 4 is 10. And our root 2 still remains. So this is our answer. Just like 4 apples plus 6 apples will give us 10 apples. The same way, 4 root 2 plus 6 root 2 will give us 10 root 2. We go to the second one. Since they are similar, we do the same thing. 3 minus 7 is minus 4. Then put your root 5. Some of us will be wondering where this minus 4 is coming from. Visit my previous tutorials and check where I solve directed numbers, and you see that this is very simple. Now let's move to the next question. We have made these two surds to be similar. Now let's break this down. This is 3. This is equal to 3 times root 2 times 4 plus square root of 25 is a perfect square. So 25 times 2. 25 is a perfect square and also divisible by 50. And also it can divide 50, sorry. And we have equal to 3 times, we can split this, root 2 times root 4 plus square root of 25 times square root of 2. Now this is 3 times square root of 2 is what? Nothing. Sorry, to give us a decimal number, not nothing. Then square root of 4 is 2 plus square root of this 5 times root 2. So bringing this together, 3 times 2 is 6 times root 2 plus 5 times root 2. So our final answer becomes 6 root 2 plus 5 root 2. Now we have similar sorts now, root 2 and root 2. So what's the next thing to do? We add. 6 plus 5 is 11, and you put your root 2. Now this one, combination of 3 sorts. Now let's solve. Is equal to 2 roots 9 times 3. 9 is a perfect square and it can divide 27, so we use it. Plus 25 times 3 minus 5 root 2. Root 2 is in the lowest form, so nothing can be happen to it. 2, we split this, times root 9 times root 3 plus square root of 25 times square root of 3 minus 5 root 2. We have now, this becomes equal to 2 times square root of 9 is 3 times root 3 plus square root of 25 is 5 times root 3 minus 5 root 2. You see we are having similar sorts now. So let's simplify more. This times this, 6 root 3 plus 5 root 3 minus 5 root 2. Notice that these two are similar, but this one is not similar. So we can only add, but we cannot subtract. So let's see our final answer. This plus this will give us 11 root 3. 6 plus 5 is 11. Root 3 is common. Minus 5 root 2. You cannot subtract this because these two are not like surds. So this becomes our final answer. Our final answer becomes 11 root 3 minus 5 root 2. So this is where we end today's tutorial. So don't behave like you used to behave before when your math teacher enters your class. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Gentomatics, for more interesting and easy solving videos. Our next topic should be multiplication of surds. Thank you.